So I start making this my own vlog, and this vlog idea is make something this Finnish nature, hunting, fishing, many kind of things in here. And my wife is make this vlogging too, and I get inspiration of her, her. She's made that for about 1 year now, so I think I make my own too. And maybe this first video what I'm do is we are hunting deers. So not yet, but we are preparing of this thing in here. So in here I have this apples, then I have a oat in here, and this sunflower seeds. Usually these deers like this very much, and I soon tell you guys what's the purpose of this. Let's take a little bit oat. I have here like a ship container. This is a good place for store firewood, and there's like a tool table, and here I have these, sunflowers. And let's take a little bit of these. It's no need to be like more than this. This is for few days, just get used of them. For this, for like daily, they get used for like noises and smell. So when you're visit here, actually they can be here like very close. Usual, but I have hunting here, it's only few 100 meters away from, and when I'm leaving they come eat. Not maybe yet, but let's see. Okay, let's put a little bit out here, and let's put a little bit sunflowers here. It's a very good set there. And the apples. Let's go look our camera. What is in here? Is there like any pictures in here? It's a four picture. No need. Let's go. I look here. There's not deer tracks now here, but surely they are somewhere very close, because like few days ago when I bring the apples here, it has eaten. Actually, maybe I cut them. I don't have knife with me, but I take an axe and let's split them a little bit. They smell better. Let's take an axe to here. Living in Finland, and this is our hunting lands in here. In here we have this in hunting you need to have your own forest, or you need to have part of some club, or then there is this a state forest. So no need. Now it's spreads smell environment, so maybe if we come look some other day here back, it's has maybe get something. Let's put that there. This is our hunting laavu. I made it a few years ago. It's not totally ready, but it's made of old logs. It should be a cover walls, so it's not rainwater and snow inside, but I have few poles there more. But why I came here is I need to make a little bit a camouflage. Camouflage on here, and I don't have this real camouflage thing, but this is about same color as environment, and I have a rope, and let's go try to install it. Oh, there's this goose. They're moving back to south. They're moving here from somewhere South Swedish and this Denmark places, but there's this few species what is flying even to Africa. Usually they come before or after sunset. Actually it's in autumn time they come very early, usual. But let's see. I think I come here for next time, try to shoot something, but let's see. We come back when something happened.